Hey guys, I'm Simon, and in this video I'm going to show you how to install a spare tire on a spare tire carrier onto your aux carrier at the back of your van. Your spare tire carrier will come with the necessary hardware for installation. Here I have a KO2 275/70/17, quite common size for a tire. What I'm going to do is, with a measuring tape, I'm measuring the bottom of a tire to the lowest bolt hole that I have. Gives me roughly 14 inches, which means this rod will have to be mounted 14 inches from the bottom of the plate. Measuring from the bottom to the closest hole, which is roughly 14 inches. Now I'm taking the stainless steel rod, taking the nut off. I'm going to leave the jam nut in place, insert it in the slot in the right spot, and then thread the bottom nut from behind. Bottom of the plate, roughly 14 inches, and I'm going to grab two 3/4 inch wrenches or 19 mil, it's pretty much the same thing, and tighten the rod in place. Grabbing this drill with a button head stainless steel bolt, fitting it right through the carrier on the top hole, and I'm going to be holding this rubber pad, and we're going to do this for the 4 pads. We are now ready to install it on the aux carrier. With the rubber pads secured in place, see, they're not going anywhere, I'm going to find the right slots on the carrier that works for my setup. In this case here, I'm centering it with the carrier, but depending on the tire side, you could move it to the left if you wanted to, or even further out to the right. There's a little bit of adjustment in the slot here, or you can move it over to different slot, whatever works for you. With 2 people, we lifted the tire, put it on the shelf, then we could move it to the left or to the right a little bit, and we found the center rod onto which we tightened this big bolt, and that's holding our tire in place. With this setup here and the spare tire at this height, I still have enough room to fit a relocates here, or maybe even 2, and we're clearing the tail light. And when the door is fully open, it would still clear our extended depth pod on the 170. The reason why we have the 2 wheels behind me here is to show you that it's possible to install the spare tire on the driver's side or the passenger side.